Hey folks, it's Anina from Looka, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a mood board for your brand. I'll be creating a mood board for my personal brand in order to help illustrate the process and also give you some tips and tricks along the way. Let's get started. So what exactly is a mood board? Think of it as a collage of images, texts, visuals, fonts, any kind of element that helps capture the essence of your project. It is the first step to branding your business, and it helps communicate your vision to other people. It also acts as like a visual anchor so that you always stay inspired and you stay on track throughout the rest of the branding process. Your mood board can be digital, physical, or both. It's whatever works best for you. The first step to creating your mood board is to figure out the aesthetic that you're looking for. What is the theme and concept that you're going for? Ask yourself, what emotions do you want to evoke? What is the aesthetic that you're looking for? Knowing these will help you stay focused throughout the process so that you can make better choices when you're picking your visuals. For my mood board, I want my aesthetic to be modern, edgy, and bold. I want people to feel inspired and energized when they see my brand. Take some time to describe your brand, and once you're done, we can meet in the next step. Next, it is time to gather some inspiration. This is the fun part, and it can take either a couple of hours or a couple of days. You're going to start looking for images, colors, fonts, textures, anything that helps describe your brand and what it's going to look like. For logo ideas, I'm going to use the Looka logo maker to brainstorm different types of logo styles, brand colors, and fonts. This will help you figure out the general look for your logo. In your research, use Pinterest, Behance, Instagram, any kind of visual platform, and type in the keywords that you think describe your brand aesthetic. Make sure to open a file on your desktop or use a physical file to keep everything organized. You do not want to overwhelm yourself right in the beginning. Now that you've gathered a ton of visual inspiration, it's time to curate. This means we're going to look through the elements that you've collected so far and kind of cherry pick the ones that best describe your vision. To keep things organized, put the fonts and texts, colors, and visuals together in different areas to help you choose the one you'd like to keep. Having similar visuals together will make it much easier to figure out which ones better describe your aesthetic. This is a time to remove any elements that don't mesh well with the overall mood board. At this point, you're going to start seeing your mood board come to life. With your final curated elements, it is time to create your mood board. Start filling in the negative spaces and set the general aesthetic for your brand. I chose to use these bold photos and mockups to help set the base for my look. Next, I added different color palettes, logo ideas, and social media mockups to get a well-rounded look at what my brand will look like in real life and digitally. I reserved a space for some color palettes that I liked, so add them in wherever you think it makes the most impact. Most tools have a template you can use, but once you have your final assets, it'll be easier to place them together. Here's mine. Lastly, and most importantly, it is time to refine your mood board. Make sure every element contributes to the overall brand vision and there's no dead weight of visuals that just look good. Once you're happy with it, share it with your friends, your family, your coworkers, your professional network, and just kind of get a pulse of what people think of your mood board and if it aligns with your original vision. If it doesn't, it might be time to go back to the drawing board and kind of like switch out some elements. Your mood board is a powerful tool for staying consistent. Save it to your computer background or print it out and put it somewhere where you can always see it and always be inspired and on the right path when you're creating your brand. So there you have it, your mood board is ready. Remember, a mood board is all about capturing the essence of your brand. It may change over time as you grow your brand and you develop your brand personality, but keep it close so that you can always adapt or change your vision. Good luck and see you next time.